পোশাক। Set means sets.
Next.
And hand means full. And man means mangus. Cup means foolish. Tap means Latin. Dog means cuckoo. Fog means kuasha.
Thank you.
Hat means পুরোঘর. Shut means বন্ধ করা. Big means বড়. Dig means খনন করা. বাঘ means পোকা. হাগ means জড়িয়ে ধরা. Pot means পাত্র. Not means না.